It used to be a little easier to identify pollution coming out of a pipe and deal with it. But over the last decade or so, we've had some emerging pollution of Narragansett Bay that is more complicated to deal with, and those are things like PFAS. Climate change, of course, is affecting everything. Microplastics is another one. A few years ago, the resources of the federal government to back action here in Rhode Island, led by Rhode Island institutions like University of Rhode Island and Roger Williams University. Let's tackle this problem now and do what we've always done, and that is take care of Narragansett Bay. So with that, I want to welcome Senator Reed with great thanks from Save the Bay.
Well, thank you very much, Topher. We are standing in an ideal location because of the work over many, many decades of Save the Bay, particularly. The problem back in the old days was sewage runoff. Now we have a new problem. You know, the reward for good work, ladies and gentlemen, is more work. So Save the Bay has more work to do, along with our University of Rhode Island and Roger Williams University. They're doing a superb job. I'm proud that Rhode Island researchers who are leading on this important issue and helping us better understand how it is impacting Rhode Island's waterways. Thank you very much.
Here at Roger Williams University, I've led an interdisciplinary research team of engineering and science students who have been working to quantify microplastic inputs to the Narragansett Bay from rivers and also from the atmosphere. Our ultimate goal is to help contribute to the technical, social, and policy solutions in the state of Rhode Island, and for these ideas to serve as a model for change and innovation nationally and also globally. The powerful combination of both engineering and science disciplines is necessary to fill the knowledge gap of marine microplastic sources, as well as how they may move and change in the environment.
The URI Plastic Initiative was established to create a dynamic research network that convenes, communicates, collaborates, and accelerates ideas and strategies to inform society, guide public policy, and reduce land-to-sea plastic pollution. With the support of Senator Reed, URI secured the $1 million federal earmark to advance this initiative. As part of these efforts, URI hosted a 2-day global plastics forum, bringing together more than 100 local and international attendees, multiple stakeholders including academia, government, and nonprofit organizations, and community-based organizations, all focused on addressing the global impact of plastics. New lines of research, where we hope to better understand the life cycle of microplastics in the body. How do they get in? How long do they stay? And do they leave? And how they can affect our health. We recently found that even short-term exposure of 3 weeks to microplastics through drinking water can have dramatic effects on brain cognition and inflammation in mice. Surprisingly, we found that microplastics can be transported and accumulate in all systems of the body, including the brain. We are now working to understand how exposure to microplastics may lead to neurological disorders and disease, including Alzheimer's disease.
We're not walking out of here fearful. We're walking out of here with the knowledge that we have great organizations like Save the Bay, brilliant scientists who are going to find the answer and help us to remediate it. And just as 40 years ago we looked at the day and say it'd be impossible, it is possible.